everybody, welcome back to the crypto realm. All right, so we're going to talk about some price action of some coins later on that jumped pretty high this past week. We'll see what those are. And first, we're going to talk about JP Morgan. They're talking about crypto regulation and centralization. We'll see what they have to say here. We'll talk about the price of those coins after. JP Morgan pushed to regulate crypto to accelerate after FTX's collapse. Okay. So crypto derivatives trading is likely to shift to regulated venues, and the Chicago Mercantile Exchange is expected to emerge as a winner, the bank said. So crypto market regulatory initiatives that are already underway are likely to become accelerated in the wake of the collapse of crypto exchange FTX and sister company Alameda Research, JP Morgan said in a research report Thursday. For example, after the European Parliament gives final approval to the European Union's Markets in Crypto Assets (MiCA) bill, it will take 18 months before the regulation takes effect. The FTX's collapse could shorten the timeline, the report said. The bank notes that U.S. regulatory initiatives garnered more interest after the Terra network collapsed in May because of a perceived need for increased oversight and consumer protections. The collapse of crypto exchange FTX this month is also likely to lead to a greater sense of urgency. Let's hope so, because once they get a bit of basic regulatory things in place, it'll open the doors for these institutions to start doing bigger things in crypto. So we need these little regulations. We don't need heavy-handed regulations. We don't need our hands held. We don't need people making sure our shoelaces are tied. We just need basic regulations. So regulatory initiatives are likely to emerge focusing on custody and protection of customers' digital assets, the unbundling of broker trading, lending, clearing, custody activities, and transparency in the reporting of reserves, assets, and liabilities, the note said. Yeah. JP Morgan says crypto derivatives trading will probably shift to regulated venues, and the Chicago Mercantile Exchange will likely benefit. Yeah. Centralization, right? But I have a counter argument for what they're about to say here. The bank says it is skeptical of a structural shift away from centralized exchanges to decentralized exchanges, DEXs. DEXs wouldn't work for the size of orders coming from larger institutions because of their slower transaction speeds or because the institution's trading strategies and order size would be traceable on the blockchain, the note said. Yeah, so think about this. If you're an organization or you're a business, you don't want everybody seeing every single move you make. And that's what the blockchain is, right? It's open transparency. You can see every transaction. So here is the fix. Oh my God. Cardano did it. The new blockchain called Midnight will run off Cardano as one of its side chains and will offer zero knowledge proof smart contracts, allowing transactions to be completed without disclosing identifiable data. The native token to the Midnight blockchain will be dust. So there you go. That's what we're going to do with Cardano. This is a completely new way of writing and running private smart contracts and private computation. So you can have a private DEX, decentralized exchange. There you go. So JP Morgan, all that money, but yet they're still not on the ball. Or go mine an anonymous data set or these types of things, said Charles Hoskinson, the company's CEO, while making the announcement at Edinburgh University in Scotland. So yeah, this is like a private blockchain for companies to run their businesses on. And if government wants to come in, they can come and take a look at the transactions themselves, get audited, and be in and out. Done. Nobody has to know everything about your company because it's on the blockchain. So this is like a whole new way to do business now on the blockchain privately. This is amazing for Cardano and everybody and regulators that want to get involved in crypto. All right, so let's talk about those coins now that seem to have sprouted this week. What are they? So the price boost for Cello came when the platform announced its partnership with Consensus, an Ethereum software company that helped engineer the merge. So the partnership is intended to kick off Cello's compatibility with MetaMask and a popular Ethereum-based wallet. So there you go. That's why Cello boosted off in price this week. Crazy. And Huobi token. The in-house token of the Huobi Global Exchange is second on the list, gaining 49% in the last 7 days. Wow. The third on the list is ApeCoin. A lot of people love that ApeCoin. which recorded a 30% spike. That's pretty good when the markets are like in a bear market. That's pretty good gains. The rally was seen after ApeCoin DAO, a community-led governing body made up of ApeCoin holders, launched its own non-fungible token NFT marketplace. The new community marketplace lists NFTs from Yuga Labs' own collection like Bay C, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, Bored Ape Kennel Club, and Other Deed for other side metaverse. Ooh, sorry, they got a lot going on there. So all those are running on one marketplace, their own marketplace. No other NFTs on there. Just all Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs. All right, so Curve DAO is fourth on the list, gaining 26%, and Dogecoin was last on the list, up 25% in the past 7 days. Now, Dogecoin, because Elon Musk loves Dogecoin, right? And so there was like a little show and tell at one of the meetings at Twitter when they were releasing just some information, and there was a little option there for payments, and it was left blank. So, but they were talking about direct messages and other things and longer tweets that you can write. And then they also had payments, open space, a lot. And everybody knows Elon Musk loves Doge. So people are thinking there might be a cryptocurrency payment situation put onto Twitter. And of course, Doge will probably be like leading the way on that. But the rumor is they're going to do all crypto be going on Twitter for payments, which is pretty cool. All right, so those are the 3 or 4 coins that shot up in the past week hugely. Some of the reasons why. And oh, there was like a ton of ETH taken off of Curve. A ton. I think like 80,000 ETH, and it was sent to Binance. So there could be some selling pressure on Ethereum. I think it was like $100 million or close to. So yeah, somebody just sent 100 million worth of ETH to Binance. Usually that means they're going to sell it. All right, people. Thanks for watching. This is the Crypto Realm. Play hard, trade smart.